Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Watch Without Service. I hope all of you are doing great. So in this video, we are going to completely disassemble a Chinese automatic movement. This is a DG2813 variant with day and date complication. So let's start. First, I will remove the hands using hand removing tool. Now I will place the movement on a cushion pad and I will start disassembling it from the calendar side. First I will take out the day calendar guard. After removing the day calendar disc, I will remove this guard. This guard holds the date calendar mechanism. I will hold the date jumper and its spring with pegwood. Then I will gently lift off the date calendar disc. Now I will remove the intermediate wheel for the date driving mechanism. After that, I will remove the hour wheel and the calendar corrector. Then I will take out the intermediate wheel, which is for date driving wheel, and then minute wheel, setting wheel, and date driving wheel. And finally, I will remove the cannon pinion. Now let's flip the movement over and start by removing the balance wheel. Once the balance wheel is out, I will remove the pallet fork and its bridge. The train bridge is secured with 3 screws. After removing the 3 screws, I can lift off the train bridge. Now let's remove the wheels. First I will take out the 4th wheel, 3rd wheel, then escape wheel. This is the reduction wheel and this is ball winding wheel. This wheel is called ratchet wheel. Barrel complete, crown wheel, and this is sweep second pinion. Now I will remove the center wheel bridge. And last but not least, this is center wheel.